Okay, children, let us learn today how to install Tux Paint. So I have provided you these two links in your class group. One is the Tux Paint for Android and one is the Tux Paint for Windows. It means if you have a computer or laptops and you are having Windows in it, operating system is Windows, then you can download the Tux Paint using this link. But if you are using for your phone, if you are going to download your Tux Paint for phone, then you have to click on this link. So everybody will be easily able to download it on phone. But now let us see how to download Windows in computer. So you have to click on this, go down on this page, click on this, and the file will be downloaded here. So I have already downloaded this file, as you can see. Now open this file, double click on it and run it. Language we have to choose. We can choose English. Okay. I accept the agreement. Next. For all users. Next. This is a location where it will get downloaded. So let it be same only. Next. Would you like to install to folder anyway? Yes. Next. Create a shortcut. Next. Install. Finish. And let's check now. Configure Tux Paint. Full screen. Language. English. Allow printing. Saving. Apply. Quit. Now here it is. You can open it in full screen. You can open the windows. So I wanted to open it as a full screen. So this is my application which is downloaded now. Now you can easily use this Tux Paint. I hope it is clear to everyone how you can download Tux Paint.